ಬಂಡವಾಳ ಹೂಡಿಕೆಯ ಸಮಾವೇಶದ ಕೊನೆಯ ದಿನ ಹಲವು ಮಹತ್ವದ ವಿಷಯಗಳ ಕುರಿತು ವಿಚಾರಗೋಷ್ಠಿಗಳು ಕೂಡ ನಡೆದವು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಸದ ಶಶಿ ತರೂರ್ ವಿಚಾರಗೋಷ್ಠಿ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಗಮನ ಸೆಳೆಯಿತು. ಗ್ರೀಸ್ನ ಮಾಜಿ ಪ್ರಧಾನಿ ಜಾರ್ಜ್ ಪಾಪುನ್ರು, ತಿರುವನಂತಪುರಂ ಸಂಸದ ಶಶಿ ತರೂರ್ ಈ ಗೋಷ್ಠಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದರು. ವಿಚಾರಗೋಷ್ಠಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಗಳು ಹೇಗೆ ಸವಾಲುಗಳನ್ನು ಫೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ಬದಲಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಭೌಗೋಳಿಕ, ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಮತ್ತು ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಭೂದೃಶ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಸ್ಥಾಪಕತ್ವವನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ನಿರ್ಮಿಸಬಹುದು ಎಂಬುದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಂದ್ರೀಕರಿಸಿತ್ತು. ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಆಡಳಿತ, ನೀತಿ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮತ್ತು ದೀರ್ಘಾವಧಿಯ ಸ್ಥಿರತೆಗಾಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಯತಂತ್ರಗಳ ಒಳನೋಟವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಇದು ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿತ್ತು.
That make it here, and the most amazing people that come from all over the world to be part of our conversations here. So I always like starting with stories. We are talking about resilience under turbulence. So this is a story of a teenager who's going through terrible times, goes to the parent and says, I just don't know how to deal with this world. So the parent says, okay, let me show you. He boils, put hot water, he puts a potato in one, puts an egg in one, puts a tea in one. And then he says, okay, look at the egg. It's really hard to soft to start with, and it comes back as hard-boiled egg. So some people just become negative. And look at something like a potato. It goes in hard but comes back so soft. Some people lose it. But look at the tea. It goes in, and because of the heat, it flavors the water and comes out as something that you can consume. And it's up to you how you deal with turbulence. Do you want to turn soft, hard, or do you want to change the flavor? And I think we have two people here with us. As we were designing this session, we wanted to invite people who have grace through the turbulence. It's not just about dealing with it and somehow coming out with it, but what do you do with it and how do you turn it into your strength? And I'm really thrilled to invite today two people. One is, and I'll tell you a little bit about why I invited them before I invite them onto the stage. The first one is George Papandreou, who is the ex-Prime Minister of Greece, who I have been privileged to be a friend for many years now. And he is the one who headed Greece when it was going through the worst time, when the country was going bankrupt. He is the one who turned it around. And we also have Shashi Tharoor, who needs no introduction, and someone who I met Shashi when he was Under Secretary General with Kofi Annan. So we had an invitation to meet Kofi Annan, and I wrote immediately to his secretary and said, can you make sure Shashi Tharoor would be there? So when we went to meet with Kofi Annan, he joked saying, I know why you're here really, not to meet me, to meet my Under Secretary General. So that was in year 2000. I met Shashi, and it's been wonderful to see his, what can you say, journey. That's the only word to describe it. With that, there's no better leaders to talk about resilience through turbulence. George and Shashi, please join me.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Shashi Tharoor and George Papandreou.
So, I'm not, we prepared some questions, etc., but I'm never worried about conversation when George and Shashi are together. There are so many things to talk about, and 1 hour is just too little. But I thought maybe I'll just start a little bit about each of you talking about the turbulences you faced. So, George, I thought I would start with you and say that you studied in America. You're pretty much an American, and your father was in politics, and you went back